Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, everybody. Inshallah, today, as you know, we have two periods. So I prefer to make the first period and the first video for revision, to revise the previous lessons. And the second period, second video, inshallah, I'll explain a new lesson for you. Okay, yes, open your book with me, page 198, exercise 9 star, revision. Okay, the first problem, as you see, we have 3x power 4 minus 12x power 3, and he said factorize this. Okay, this title 4, question 1, 2, 3, and 4. The meaning of factorize is to change this expression into factors. Factors means things multiply with each other. Maybe variable multiply by a brackets, two brackets multiply with each other, like by each other, like this. Okay, so I'll start the first problem here. As you see, we have 3x power 4 minus 12x cubed. So I'll take a common factor between the two numbers 3 and 12. The common factor between 3 and 12 is 3. And then the common factor between x power 4 and x power 3, I'll take the least power. So I'll take x power 4. I took the common factor, then directly open brackets. And then take the first term divided by the common factor. So 3 divided by 3 equal 1. X power 4 divided x power 3 equal just x minus the power. And negative 12x cubed divided by positive 3x cubed, it will be negative 4, and x cubed cancel with x cubed, give me just 1. In question number 2, also he asked about factorizing. We have 4 over 3 pr square plus 2 over 3 pr square. What is the common factor between these two numbers? I'll take the least. We have here like fractions, so I'll take 2 over 3 as a common factor. What is the common factor between the variable? We have b and b, so I'll take b power 1. We have r cubed and r square, so I'll take r square, which is the least factor, as a common. Okay, so the common factor here between these two terms is 2 over 3 br square. Now directly open brackets and then take 4 over 3 br cubed divided by 2 over 3 br square. In the beginning, b cancelled with b, and r cubed divided by r square equal r. What is the answer of the division? 4 over 3 divided by 2 over 3, I made it here, as you see. 4 over 3 divided by 2 over 3. Keep, change, flip, like this. So here, the result of division 4 over 3 pr cubed divided by 2 over 3 pr square is 2r. And then, don't forget, please, don't say that the answer here is 0. The answer here is 1, because I'll take the same term divided by itself. So anything divided by itself equal 1. This is the factorization for this problem. Number 3. I have 24x cubed y square minus 18x square y. I'll take the common factor between the numbers 6 and the least power from x, because x repeated in both terms, and the least power from y, because y repeated in both terms. So the common factor will be 6x square y, and open brackets. Take the first term divided by the common factor. 24 divided by 6 equal 4. X cubed divided by x square minus the power equal 6. Y square divided by y minus the power equal y. Negative 18x square y divided by positive 6 square x square y. The answer will be negative x square y cancelled with x square y, give me 1. And 18 divided by 6 equal 3. In question number 4, the same exercise, 9 star, page 198. We have 15a square b cubed c square minus 9a cubed b square c square plus 21a square b square c cubed. I'll take a common factor between the numbers 15, 9, and 21. All of them has the same factor, which is 3. So I'll take 3 as a common factor. I have the 3 variable a, b, c, a, b, c, a, b, c repeated in the 3 terms. So I'll take a, b, c as a common factor, each one of them with the least power. I'll take a square, and b I'll take it square, and c I'll take it also square. Now I took the common factor, open brackets, 15a square b cubed c square divided by the common factor equal 5b, because c square cancelled with c square and a square cancelled with a square. B cubed divide b square, I'll minus the power. 15 divided 3 equal 5. Now negative 9 divided by positive 3 equal negative 3. And a cubed divided a square minus the power equal just 1a. B square cancelled with b square, c square cancelled with c square, give me 1. No need to write 1 or to multiply by 1. Positive 21 divided by positive 3 equal positive 7. And then a square cancelled with a square, give me 1. B square cancelled with b squared, give me 1. C cubed divided by c square minus the power, it will be c. So this is the factorization for the 3 terms for this expression. Okay, now from question number 5, he said simplify this. Simplify this. Okay, to simplify this fraction, in the beginning I start to factorize both numerator and denominator. To factorize the numerator, I take x as a common factor and down y as a common factor, because up we have x here and there, down we have y here and there. And then when I take the common factor, open brackets, x squared divided x equal x, and xy minus xy divided by positive x equal negative. Xy divided by x, cancel x with x, give me 1, and what's left? Y. Down, the y is a common factor, open brackets, xy divided by y equal just x, negative y squared divided by y equal negative y. Now I have up and down the same brackets, so we can cancel them with each other. They will give me 1. 1 multiplied by x over y, so the answer is x over y, no need to multiply by 1. And here, take care from such kind of problem. We have fraction divided by another fraction. I deal with each fraction separately. And to simplify each fraction, I have to factorize the denominator and factorize the denominator. Take care, we have here division. So I follow the rule of dividing a fraction, keep, change, flip. So in the beginning, the denominator of this fraction, ax minus bx, I'll take x as a common factor. Then open brackets, ax divided x equal a, minus bx divided x equal negative b, and down, which repeated x and x, so I'll take x as a common factor here. Open brackets, x squared divided x equal x, plus xy divided x equal y. I change this sign from division into multiplication. You can do 2 steps. And then flip, directly flip. So the denominator here will be numerator. I'll take a common factor here, which is 2x. And open brackets, 2x squared divided 2x equal x. 2xy divided 2x equal y. Like this. Take care, I took the denominator and make it numerator because flip. Now I have 2a minus 2b. What is the common factor? Just 2. So I'll take 2 as a common factor and open brackets, 2a divided 2 equal a, minus 2b divided 2 equal negative b. Now, it's allowed to me to cancel x with x. And in case of multiplication, it's allowed you to cancel cross. So a minus b brackets cancelled with a minus b. I have x plus y brackets cancelled with x plus y. As you see, I make different colors to know I cancelled with which with which. Up 2 divided by 2 equal 1. Take care. All this give me 1 multiply what's left x. So the final answer is just x. Okay. As I said to you before, I prefer to stop the video and solve the problem alone, then check. In question number 7, he said solve these equations from number 7 till number 10. Solve these equations. I have here equation 3 over 7 multiplied by a bracket 3x minus 1 equal 0. I want to clear the denominator. So I'll multiply by the denominator. I have both sides. So I'll multiply by 7 both sides to clear the denominator. Here 7 multiply 3 over 7. I'll cancel 7 with 7. Don't start by factorizing, but start to clear the denominator first. It will be easier. Now I'll cancel 7 with 7. That's to say give me 1. What's left? I have 3. Multiply this brackets. And on the right side we have 0 multiply 7 equals 0. 3 multiply 3x equal 9x, and 3 multiply negative 1 equal negative 3. Solve the problem regularly. I'll keep x aside and take the number to the opposite side with opposite sign. Don't forget that you will divide by the factor multiplied by x, so you will divide by 9 both sides. So the answer here is not 3. Take care. The answer here is not 3. The answer here is 1 over 3. Third. So the value of x is third. Don't write 3. Take care. Okay, this is number 7. I'm still in exercise 9 star revision. And here also number 8, solve this equation. We have equation as fraction 3x plus 2 over 5 minus 2x plus 5 over 3 equal x plus 3. Take care. I want to clear the denominator. So I'll multiply by this denominator. I have 5 and 3, so I'll multiply by 15. Teacher, can I multiply by 15? You can multiply by any number to clear the denominator. I'll multiply by 15 both sides. So multiply here by 15. So please put the fraction between brackets as you see. Divided by 5 equal 1. Divided by 5 equal 3. And here minus, make circle around the negative sign please. 15 multiply, put brackets around this fraction. So divided by 3 equal 1. Divided by 3 equal 5. And here 15 multiply, put x plus 3 between brackets like this. I want to complete the brackets here like this. Okay, now what's left? I have 3. So 3 multiply 3x equal 9x, and 3 multiply 2 equal 6. Negative 5 multiply 2x equal 10x, and 5 multiply positive 5 equal 25. We have negative sign. Now distribute 15 by x and 3. So we have 15x plus 45. I'll take 9x plus 6 as it is. Take care, be careful. Some students ask me in the previous lessons why you made negative. I said revise my explanation in the video, and I make always circle around the negative sign. Negative sign must be distributed by all things inside the brackets. Consider yourself have here negative 1. So negative 1 multiply positive 10 equal negative 10x. And negative 1 multiply 25 equal negative 25. Please take care. Negative sign is a dangerous sign. Take care. And here 15x plus 45 is still the same. Now I'll solve regularly. I'll take x aside and the number another side, but change the sign of the thing. You will transfer it from place to another. Now I have all the x's equal 16x and all the numbers equal negative 64. I divide by the factor of x 16, divide by positive 16, so x equal negative 4. Negative 4. This is the answer, question number 8. Okay, now question number 9, also an equation. I am still in exercise 9 star page 198. Equation 1, 2 over 3, mixed number, multiply by brackets x plus 1 equal x plus 5, 2 over 3 as a right side. Take care. The first thing I have to do is to change the mixed number into fraction. I'll change the mixed number into fraction. How? I'll keep the denominator and then walk counterclockwise. Multiply, then add. So the denominator is 3. 1 multiply 3 equal 3 plus 2 equal 5. And this is the brackets. Just change the mixed number into fraction. Now here I'll change the mixed number into fraction. Keep the denominator. Walk counterclockwise. Multiply, then add. 5 times 3. 15 plus 2 equals 17. Okay, now consider yourself start a new problem, new equation from here. So I have 3 in the denominator, so I'll multiply both sides by 3 to clear the denominator. As you see here, 3 multiply 5 over 3. Don't distribute, multiply first to clear the denominator. It will be easier. And here also multiply by 3. Cancel 3 with 3, give me 1, and then what's left? 5. Here 3 multiply x and 3 multiply 17 over 3. Please take care يا بنات, take care. Important, you will multiply 3 by all terms you have. So 3 multiplied by x and 3 multiplied by 17 over 3. You will say to me, teacher, you multiply 3 here just one time. Yes, because all this is one term, multiplication. So multiply things with each other. It is just one term. So I'll multiply here to cancel this 3. But here 3 distributed by x and 17 over 3. Like this. What's left here? 5. So 5 multiply x and 5 multiply 1. Here 3 multiply x and 3 multiply 17 over 3. Cancel 3 with 3, give me 1, and what's left? 17. Now distribute 5. 5x plus 5. 3x plus 17. Solve the equation. Keep x aside and number other side. Change the number of the thing you will transfer it from place to another. Now I have 2x equal 12. To get just 1x divided by 2 both sides, so x equals 6. Very interesting problem and very important problem. Very interesting problem. I started to change the mixed number into fraction. And consider myself deal with a new problem, new equation. Okay, so I want to clear the denominator. Multiply by 3. I said to you, please don't forget to multiply all the terms. Where is the term? This is term and this is term. Between them, negative and positive, it will be a term. But multiplication is just one term, as we took in the first term. And then solve the equation regularly. Now, I am still in exercise 9 star, page 198. I'll solve number 10. Take care from number 10. Important. I prefer to take exercise 9 star because I found nice ideas in this and important ideas in this exercise. Okay, question number 10, also equation. Solve this equation. Here, I have 1 over x plus 1 over 2x minus 1 over 3x equal 2 and the third. Okay, in the beginning, I want to change the mixed number into just a fraction. L3, keep it as it is, denominator, then walk clockwise. 2 multiply 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the right side will be 7 over 3 as you see here. Okay, and then here I have the denominator x, 2x, 3x and 3. So what is the least denominator? Here I want to clear the denominator. What can I do? Or I want, as I said in the beginning, I want to take the smallest denominator. Here I have x, but I have 2 and 3, so I'll just multiply by 6 to keep all the denominators with the x like this. So here, multiply x by 1 over 6, sorry, multiply 6 by 1 over x. I'll multiply 6 up only like this. It will be 6 over x. Multiply 6 by 1 over 2x. Cancel 2. Divided by 2 here, divided by 2 equal 3. So 3 multiply 1 equal 3 over x. You will multiply the number with the denominator only because this number over 1. Now, minus 6 multiply 1 over 3x like this. So divided by 3 equal 1, divided by 3 equal 2. So I have 2 multiply 1 over x equal 6 multiply 7 over 3, divided by 3 equal 1, divided by 3 equal 2. So 2 multiply 7 equal 14. Okay, now I have the same denominator. So I'll put it just one time and take 6 plus 3 minus 2. Easy. All of them equal 14. Now 6 plus 3 minus 2 equals 7 over x equal 14. You can multiply x both sides to clear the denominator. So you have here 7 and here 14x. So 14x equals 7 divided by 4. So x equal half. Don't write 2. X equal half. Don't write 2. Like this. Okay. I'll stop the video here and complete with you because I don't make it a long video.